Hi there, it's James Hillery from the Great British Bake Off. Today we're going to be making some delicious white chocolate cookies and cream fudge. We're going to make it a little bit spooky as it's Halloween season, and we're going to make some bat wings out of the Oreo cookies that are going to go on top. Super simple to make. All you're going to need is a microwavable bowl, microwave, a spatula to stir it all together, and a tin to set it in. So my tin of choice is the circular non-stick square pan. I think it's about 21 centimetres, super robust, doesn't kink or bend when in an oven. Non-sticks, absolutely brilliant. I like all their baking products. Other tins are available, but if you fancy checking them out, have a look on Food Heaven's website, link below. Time to get making. You're going to need 540 grams of white chocolate broken into a bowl, a tin of carnation, and 12 Oreo cookies. Then we're going to need to pour your condensed milk over the broken chocolate pieces. Now it's time to pop your chocolate and condensed milk into the microwave. You do it on 20-second bursts. Once the 20 seconds is over, give it a stir, mix it up, back in. Keep doing that until it's fully melted. Whilst that's melting, pour 8 of your cookies into a Ziploc bag and then let out your frustration to give them a good smash up. We'll pour these into the fudge later. Looks like we're beautifully melted now, all smooth, ready for the next stage. Next we're going to mix the cookies into the lovely creamy fudge mixture. Make sure it's well combined. Then we're going to pour it into your lined baking dish. This stops the fudge from sticking. And then what we need to do is smooth it out to the edges, working quite quickly because the fudge does set up pretty rapidly. To make the bat wings, we just split an Oreo in half and scrape out the centre. Then just break it carefully down the middle, turn them over, and there you go. Now the fun bit of decorating. So you apply your bat wings onto the slightly warm fudge, pop on some googly eyes, give them some character. They are optional, but they do make them look quite cute. You need to pop the cooled fudge into the fridge for an hour or two, just so it sets up nice and firmly. Then you can cut away and enjoy your delicious treats. Really hope you enjoyed making these. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Food Heaven channel, and then set your notifications to on to make sure you don't miss any of the other fantastic videos coming along soon. Have a great day.